Hey everyone, it's Cathy Sabater. I'm here with Kimberly Bolden. She's in Las Vegas. And guess what? Now is a wonderful time to do a fix and flip in Las Vegas. And why is that, Kim?
Because people want remodeled homes, and you don't have that many remodeled homes here. Most homes need to be updated.
So, one of the things that we talked about is you told me there's a lot of inventory in Las Vegas. Now, we know in the real estate market, the market has shifted. Is it more of a buyer's market there or a seller's market?
It's more of a buyer's market right now.
Okay, great. And then some of the homes that you've seen, we talked about, you're saying that the reason why it's a good time to fix and flip is because a lot of those properties need to be upgraded to
Yes,
compete with
yes,
what? The newer homes or
yes. With the newer homes, and my clients, my buyers, they just want move in ready. They don't want to move in and have to repair things. So they just want move in ready.
Mhm.
And we have a lot of people migrating here, so they don't want to come in and do a fix up a home. They want to be able to move right in.
Mhm.
So they want 30-day closes.
That I hear that. Let's
Yes.
go. And so,
Mhm.
with that being said, with the investors, if you have an investor, right, because you work with them,
Yes.
we have a fix and flip that we actually put the cost of the renovation in the loan.
Wow.
So you basically, so let's do easy number. You find a property because you already have a property that's out there, right?
Yes.
How much
Right.
is the property worth? About what are
Uh,
they asking for?
it's after repair about 395 or a little bit more. It might get a little bidding more on it.
Right.
Yeah.
So that's what it would be after the renovation, right?
Yes.
Right. But in the meanwhile, there's almost a six digit or amount that could be made from the flip.
Yes.
Okay. So like here in California, you can't buy a house for like 285,000, put $30,000 in it and then flip it and make potentially whatever the market could bear because you could make up to 80 to $100,000 on this flip.
Yes.
And then how long would a flip like that take on based on the property we're talking about right now?
30 to 45 days.
Wow. So listen to this, investors. You could potentially get a loan, let's say 285, and then it's like $30,000 for repairs, right? You could
Yes.
potentially put 10% down if you do a lot of flips, 15% down, and then 20% if you're a new investor. So what does that mean? Well, that means the purchase price is over here for the house, and then the money for the renovation is here. So we're going to put the loan together, and now you can now have the funds to do the repairs. I know you asked, what's the catch? Well, catch is the money that's sitting here for the repairs, you have to prove that you're going to be making these repairs. So whether you're using a licensed contractor or not, you need to have your scope of work, and then you're going to get a drawer for it. So think about it. I'm going to just do easy math. You could potentially put 10% down on this property, and that 10%, let's say, is $30,000, right? Then you're going to get a drawer for about $30,000 to help you renovate the home. And then Kim is going to help you purchase the house. She's going to give you advice on what you need to do to fix and flip. And then she's going to help you sell the property. Hence, you're going to get whatever the market bears. But it's a great time to do a fix and flip in Las Vegas.
Yes. Yes.
And if they want more information on the properties that they could potentially find in Las Vegas, what number should they call you at?
702-338-1155.
Thanks,
Again,
Kim.
702-338-1155.
It was a pleasure talking to you, and I'm looking forward to doing some fix and flipping with you.
Thank you. Yes, we're going to do a ton of fix and flips.